2026 is the year of the microfiber. Now, if you didn't know, the House of Rags is a microfiber company. So I'm gonna go over my kit for the year, and guess what we're gonna do with these kits? They're going on sale. Let's go. Let's walk around the car here. So this is almost every towel that we carry as a company. Here's what I'm gonna use. Wash Boss. It is the beast of washing. I'm gonna grab that in my kit. We're gonna do the weapon to match drying mediums because guess what? They come in a 2-pack. Great towel. I'm gonna go here to final leveling. I could use that as my buffing towel, my leveling towel for ceramic coatings. And like I said, when I think of this kit, I think of the kit that I would use starting off. This is how I'm going. We're gonna go with goats, baby goats for rinseless washing. So I could do a whole car with this, cars that have softer paint with the weapon to match drying, or baby goats. And for the glass, no other than the new waffle. That's what we got. Now you're like, Eddie, you're missing a towel for interior cleaning. I got you here. We're gonna go down the street and we're gonna go grab one of my favorite towels on the market. It is the Jobber. The Jobber dual pile, great for any job. And this one I could use for inside out, etc. And I can't end the day there. Need one more. I'm a Mr. Twister lover. So I'm gonna grab myself somewhere on here. Mr. Twister, green. That's where we're at. Jamie, what do you got?
Oh. Perfect. Cut the music. Here's Eddie's famous Mr. Twister. It's not green, but it's blue. But, you know, get your color: blue, peach, green, and purple, all available at thehouseofrags.com. Time for the Jamie kit. He started with the Wash Boss. You know I'm going Wash Boss Junior, much more manageable size wash mitt. You can do some rinseless washing with it. You can do some normal washing with it, however you like it. 87, 13% blend here. You can see the clouds of polyamide that lay in the mitt there with the fibers. It's a glorious mitt. Dare I say it, best wash mitt in the game. Next up, what'd you do next? Drying towel, you went with the WMD. I'm gonna go the gorgeous, that bright green goat, 1800, very manageable size towel, in my opinion. And you can dry 2-3 trucks with it, really. If you really, stretch it out, have a drying aid, that kind of deal. Amazing, amazing drying towel. Now, I do love a good WMD, but I like the baby boy WMDs. Great for cleaning up the wheels, that kind of deal at the end. Spray a little drying aid. It adds, finishes the drying process and adds a little bit of protection to your wheels with the little baby WMDs. Next up, where are we going? Interior. Let's see, that's my 2 drying towels. Interior wise, I've got to go with the edge towel over there on the passenger side of the towel vet. There it is. That edge towel is a glorious, glorious interior towel. It's good for all surfaces. Perfectly thin towel, able to get in all the nooks and crannies, a little bit thinner than the Jobber. But the Jobber, of course, Eddie's pick, got the plush side, got the flat side, so it's a great towel for either job as well. I also like a good dirty boy. Sometimes I just pile up on the dirty boys to really stock up, and then I just run dirty boys for everything. I love them. But black, you don't want to get the black on your bright orange, especially if they're wet. You could have some interference there. Glass towels, he went with waffle. I'm going the luxurious Mona Lisa Diva glass towels. Dual pile, it's got the Mona Lisa weave. On this side, this stays slick on your glass surface, even after cleaning with the baddest glass cleaners in the game, leaves them bare, and it's gonna stay slick for you, and that towel's not gonna bunch up on you, that kind of deal. Look, we got the classic Clean by Pan logo towel. It's gone now, no more logo, but it might come back. And for the leveling process, I actually do like Pan's level 1 towels. This baby blue action. Got the dark blue final level towels. You can't go wrong there. I love the blue. But you gotta get the best leveling towels in the game. Why are they the best? Ultrasonic cut to perfection. Our machine's dialed in. If the machines are too fast for kind of higher production facilities, you get the wonky shapes. No wonky shapes here at Thor. Perfectly square. You get a beautiful edge. And it's just magical, magical towel. 70-30 blend. I don't know why I'm folding it up, because we're just laying it right there on the towel vet. There you go. So we got the Eddie kit. We got the Jamie kit. I'm gonna have them linked below. You're gonna save 25% off the kits. If you buy all the towels that are in our Jamie and Eddie kits, you're gonna save a big chunk of change off them. If you wanna buy them individually, you get 20% off at the House of Rags right now because it's for the Love of Microfiber sale all February long. So save big at thehouseofrags.com, and that's all we got. We'll post all this in links below. We'll see you there.